I'm reading a book, Mutlu.
Oh, yeah? You know I'm going to school tomorrow. Do you think I could be an astronaut by nighttime?
You want to be an astronaut by tomorrow night? You've just started going to school.
Well, I think I can even be an architect by noon if I study a lot. Even a space architect.
I think you can even be a space architect by tomorrow morning. But you should get some rest first, my boy.
But Daddy, listen. I simply can't decide what I'll be in school tomorrow. Should I be an astronaut or a space architect? I think I want to be a fireman too.
Is someone losing their sleep over something?
Hi, Mom. Do you think there's fire in outer space?
I surely hope there's not, but it's time to sleep now.
Okay. Well, good night.
Good night, son.
Maddie, they come from somewhere very far. Minnie, Maddie, they came to see all new things. Every moment, everywhere.